Hey everyone, how are you all? So I'm out here enjoying myself and having a wonderful walk during the Venus time, and this is like just around the sunset, and it's Venus time, and there's a lot of couples around here. Unlike in the morning people are doing pranayam, exercises, meditation, and they're very serious about what they're doing. But this is the time when people come here for a lot of personal interaction, lot of love, some people holding their hands, some people just being with each other. So that's why I say it's Venus time. So I thought in Venus time, why not talk about something which is like closest to Venus, that is Saturn. So Shani, I have always said a lot of people go directly to Shani. If you want to make Shani happy, make Venus happy, and automatically Shani will become your best friend. So yes, as we begin, there's an important thing I want to talk about today is that around this time, Saturn is going to get combusted. So what happens when a planet gets combusted? A combustion means that automatically when a planet comes to approximate degree, close degree to Sun, the planet gets combusted. That means, say for example, if you're very close to planet Sun, say if you go travel in the sky or whatever, if you go to a certain amount of closeness to the sun, automatically your space shuttle or anything, even if you are, I mean, hypothetically, it will be getting burnt. So when a planet is in the close proximity with sun, then automatically we say that planet gets combusted, that is, it's getting burnt and it is losing some kind of its strength, to perform. Because obviously, if you are burnt, you cannot perform the way you would want to. You might become a little irritated also, anger also. So all these emotions can come up with you. So in the same way, when a planet gets combusted, it is said to be losing some kind of strength which it always has. So since it's Saturn this time, and Sun is Saturn's father, so it doesn't harm that much, but it does. So what can we see happening now in this time when Saturn is combusted is that we can see a lot of industrial problems, that is labor related problem, labor not coming on time, the people are not working on time. The steel industry, iron industry can have a slump, the prices of them can fall, and what you see is like people who are very hardworking, they are getting irritated with few things because Saturn is about hard work. So if you are a very hardworking person, you might just feel that this is the time when your hard work is not appreciated at all. So people are not looking up to you. So there can be irritation during the this time for people who are very hardworking. This is India's Saturn is India's Bhagya and Karma Karak also. So you might see a lot of problems for the government in coming days. A lot of things will hamper the recession. Definitely will be going down for India. Saturn is combusted. So yes, these are the factors. If your Saturn is your Lagna Lord, you should take care of your health a bit. Nothing chronic, but yeah, here and there. Do not use cars in a rash manner because that might be problem. The law and order may not be at its best. You might see a lot of agitations and a lot of people doing certain things wrong, and law and order is not at its best because when Saturn is there, Saturn represents law and order. So Saturn is considered the Nyayadesh, so you might expect some decisions going wrong, some judgments going wrong, the law and order not to be its best. So yeah, these are the factors that will be taking place when Saturn is combusted. So take care of them, and if there's a hardworking person around you, make sure you appreciate them at this moment. Your staff, your home staff, your office staff, you look after them. And if you are a hardworking person, make sure if you get irritated because certain things are not happening the way you want, certain kind of appreciation is not coming your way, relax yourself, take a deep breath and meditate with me. You'll be fine. Thank you so much. I'll connect with you again and probably very soon. Take care.